Hola, hi, how are you people? I hope you all are doing great. Did you guys miss me? If you did, please ignore the way I'm flaunting my makeup look. I literally loved it. It looks so bomb. I'm sure even you guys are thrilled. Look at the intensity of the look. And here I am back with my makeup looks. I'm so sorry for not being active on social media. I really miss you guys. So much evil eye on my hand. Lol. Much needed, guys. So I'm here with this look, and I'm also reviewing this palette, the Imagic palette. If you guys have been requesting me to do a drugstore palette, and here I am with my palette, and here is the look for you guys. I hope you all enjoy it. So before wasting more time, let's get into the video. Yeah, so first thing, as you all know, my Fix Plus, you all can use any damn Fix Plus or any damn moisturizer. Just work for your face. Make sure that it's for your skin type. Then to conceal my face, I'm using my two favorite concealers, the Shape Tape and the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. The blend of this together is a fabulous finish what I get. It's super bright and super blendable and works magically for me. Then I'm just blending my foundation also. The foundation that I'm using today is the Sheer Glow foundation. It's from NARS and the shade that I'm using is Punjab. And the concealer was Ginger. Here I am just blending, making sure my face and neck looks even. I don't know why, surprisingly, the color looks a little white over here. But don't worry, we'll work that way up. I'm just making sure to hide my orange. I'm just making sure to hide my green beard patches with the orange concealer. And this one is from MAC, the medium deep palette, the pure orange or pure ochre, whatever shade works for you from MAC. You can also use a drugstore one. I'm using my Laura Mercier powder just to make sure that I bake very well on the under eye, because that's the area that gets, oily faster. And I love baking my powder with a sponge, because no one will tell you this, but the finish that you get with the sponge is phenomenal. Just try it, guys. Even if you use the Maybelline Fit Me one, just use the sponge. And this is a local sponge. Taking my bronzer in Give Me Sun, and I'm just going to work my way out. I'm using this new brush that I got from Clinique, if I'm not wrong, and I'm just going to curve my face. Depends on what dimension. I'm not going hollow. I'm just making sure that I lift the product. I just made the guidelines, and I'm just going to blend all my way up, making sure to give the illusion of bronzing and draping technique. So this is the way I love my blush and my contour to be. So I love the way it looks like a perfect crisp at the low edge, and then I love lifting it up with a powder and showing a gradually a blended look. And I'm just going to do that on my nose, forehead and jawline, because this girl is turning into a potato as the lockdown has begun. So I'm just gonna take my blush. This is the Springsheen, if I'm not wrong. You all can use any damn pink blush that you like from whichever brand. This does not matter. But make sure the techniques remain the same, and just make sure that it's blended it all over. I'm taking my Shape Tape again, and I'm just making sure that I blend it up to the Jesus and make sure my eyelids look crystal clear Hawaiian blue. I'm taking my spiked eyebrow pencil. You can also take the L'Oreal one. I've heard it's very nice. Even the Forever 52 works very good. The Meenakshi's collection, it's good. Like, the colors are pretty nicer. Then I'm taking the star of the show. Yeah. I'm taking that whitest eyeshadow, and I'm putting yellow now on my inner corners. I did the white to set my full eyelids to make sure that it gives me a nice pop. I am now going to layer a lot of colors. This is going to be a burst of colors on my eyes. I'm starting with a yellow. I'm going to do pink. I'm then going to do a little bit purple, and on the end I'm going to go blue. So it starts with a color scheme, guys. Always go light to dark, and also remember color wheel in mind. Making sure that everything looks blended, seamless. It's okay, let it look patchy at this moment, because at the end of the day, when I blend it all, it's gonna look fabulous. Also, I'm going to cut the crease up, so that is also going to make a huge difference for me. So I'm just depositing the products at this moment, because I want the eyeshadows to be well deposited and then blended, because if right now only I blend it, it's just going to fade away. And the palette was so phenomenal, guys, that it did such an amazing job. I did not struggle honestly at all. This made my life really easy. So here I am. It looks very patchy at this moment, but don't worry, I'm just gonna fix that up. You have to make sure that you do a cut crease moment depending on your eyelids, because on my eyelids are very small and the concealer went all over. So I just fixed it up my way and I added more color, and here I am, boom, taking my glitter from Miss Claire and I've mixed with Krylon glue, and I'm just mixing the both and I'm just going to put it all over my crease. No eyeshadow, no base, I'm just going to do it directly, because I have realized the more you layer, the more the eye becomes patchier, the thicker, and the liner does not get deposited, the lashes comes off. I have my share of experiences, and I'm just doing my black track liner from MAC with 209 brush, and I'm making sure I'm just doing a very thin line, a very crisp thin line to just cover my lash band. That's it. I'm not going anything else. I'm just doing the PAC eye pencil, the kohl pencil that they have. It's so good, so good. I don't like the MAC ones also. The way this has worked for me is phenomenal. It's just for rupees 350. Huge shout out to PAC for this beautiful eye pencil. Then I'm just making sure I blend the black with my smudging brush. That is a pencil brush, and I'm just going to follow the same color scheme that I did: blue, pink, purple, yellow. I did not do the purple, to be honest, and in fact I did a little more orange on the oh my god, I don't know what the hell is wrong with the screen. I just blended it all together. I just did a very muted orange, and I'm just doing my climax. I am calling my lashes, because if I don't do the lashes, it's not going to give me the feel. For me, lashes are everything, to be honest, and mascara, honestly, I am not a great fan of doing a mascara and neither curling my lashes. Taking these drugstore lashes, I don't know, my sister gifted these to me. I use these, and I'm using my mom's bindi, and I'm just going to put it on my, you know, these high planes of my face where I think I have the maximum you know, where I can show the maximum. I don't know if that makes sense, sorry. So I am just waking up beautifully, like just lived in makeup, and I'm taking my Skinny Dip eyeshadow palette. This is my sister's, again she gave it to me, and I'm using it as a highlighter. Trust me, the way this looks, it reminds me of Jeffree Star Girl. And I'm using the lip pencil from Lip Density range from MAC, the pink one. You can use any damn pink. There are so many beautiful pinks. And line your lip, make it look like a Botox shit, which I love. Who does not love overlined lips? I mean, I love it, honestly. Sometimes, not every time I love it. And then I'm going to do a nice nude pink from Forever 52. I think I should have gone a little more muted, but I'm just gonna fix that game up, because with the bold eyes, I don't usually prefer doing this. I am using my Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger, and I just made it look even more sexier. Just to not forget my cherry on cake, my Fix Plus, my lifesaver, and here I am, good to go. So that's the final look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. I legit enjoyed it, doing it so much. I mean, creativity can go to another level, guys. I can't even say sky's the limit. I really love doing this look for you. I hope you all got something out of it. And if you recreate this and if you like this, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And as you know the drill, share it with your friends and family. I hope they also get something out of it, and see you all in my next one. Bye, take care. Mwah.